Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most surprising and advanced military innovations to emerge from Israel in recent years, the new Capsule-Drone technology. This system is reshaping the way modern warfare is conducted, combining stealth, autonomy, and precision into a compact weapon that fits inside a small capsule but carries the power and intelligence of a high-end drone. As tensions rise across multiple regions and advanced battlefield tools become essential, this technology shows how rapidly modern militaries are evolving to meet new threats. In today's video, we'll explore what makes this capsule drone system different, how it works, why it matters, and what it could mean for future conflicts around the world. Israel has always focused on developing efficient, compact, and intelligent systems for reconnaissance and targeted operations. Their defense industry has produced everything from loitering munitions to high-precision missile platforms. But this new capsule drone innovation represents a shift toward extreme miniaturization without sacrificing capabilities. The idea is simple: a drone that can be transported discreetly, deployed instantly, and operated with minimal personnel. However, the engineering behind it is far from simple because fitting sensors, cameras, communication systems, propulsion, and AI-based navigation into such a small capsule requires advanced materials, efficient design, and powerful onboard computing. The capsule itself looks like a small cylindrical container, sealed to protect the drone inside from dust, moisture, and rough handling. This design allows soldiers to carry multiple units in backpacks or vehicles without attracting attention. Once opened, the drone inside activates within seconds, its wings unfold automatically, its sensors boot up, and it becomes ready for launch. The entire system is designed for rapid deployment, especially in environments where time is critical, such as urban combat zones, border skirmishes, or sudden intelligence gathering missions. This quick response capability allows units to gather real-time data before making tactical decisions, increasing their situational awareness and reducing unnecessary risks. Another major highlight of this technology is its advanced camera system. Even though the drone is small, it carries high-resolution thermal and optical cameras that can operate during day or night. These sensors can identify enemy movements, detect heat signatures, and transmit precise imagery back to operators several kilometers away. In urban areas where identifying hidden positions or tracking small movements becomes challenging, this drone provides a clear advantage. The ability to fly silently and hover close to structures makes it ideal for tight and complex environments like alleyways, basements, and rooftops. The communication system is equally impressive. Traditional drones often rely on GPS signals, which can be jammed or spoofed by advanced electronic warfare systems. Israel's Capsule-Drone uses an enhanced navigation setup that can function even in GPS-denied zones. Its AI-assisted flight algorithms allow it to map surroundings, avoid obstacles, and maintain stable flight, even without constant operator input. This semi-autonomous capability reduces the workload for soldiers and ensures that the drone can complete its mission even if communication is disrupted temporarily. In high-risk combat zones, this resilience can make the difference between mission success and mission failure. What makes this new system stand out compared to previous Israeli drones is its combination of size and capability. Most small drones on the market are limited to very basic surveillance and short-range flights. However, this capsule drone is designed for long-endurance, stable flight, and multi-mission adaptability. The engineers behind the system focused on maximizing battery efficiency and reducing aerodynamic drag, enabling the drone to stay airborne longer than many other mini-drones. This extended flight time gives operators more freedom to explore wider areas, track targets for longer durations, and gather more complete intelligence. Another fascinating aspect is the drone's ability to carry small payloads. While it is not designed as a heavy attack drone, its platform allows for micro-munitions or electronic interference modules depending on mission requirements. This means it can potentially disable enemy communication equipment, mark targets for larger systems, or carry a miniature explosive for high-value precision strikes. Such versatility makes the drone valuable not just for surveillance but also for tactical operations. Its small size helps it approach targets quietly without drawing attention, which is crucial in covert missions. Israel's defense sector is famous for integrating AI into their systems, and this drone is no exception. Its onboard processors can identify patterns, detect suspicious movements, and filter important information from irrelevant background noise. Instead of streaming every second of video, the drone can highlight key events for the operator, reducing data load and improving efficiency. For example, if it detects human movement, unusual heat signatures, or vehicle activity in a monitored area, it immediately marks the footage and sends alerts. This intelligent processing capability transforms the drone into more than just a flying camera. It becomes a real-time decision support tool. When it comes to battlefield mobility, this drone also excels. Soldiers can deploy it from armored vehicles, temporary positions, or even from within buildings. Its compact form makes it easy to operate in confined spaces where traditional drones cannot be launched. The capsule not only protects the drone but also acts as a safe storage mechanism, ensuring it remains functional even after rough transport. In unpredictable environments where dust storms, rain, or chaotic movement are common, this durability becomes essential. The drone's quiet propulsion is another feature that makes it advanced. Many small drones produce enough noise to alert nearby enemies, compromising stealth. But Israel's engineers have designed a low-noise electric motor system with vibration reduction technology. This allows the drone to fly close to enemy positions without being easily detected. Silent surveillance gives commanders the confidence to plan operations based on accurate and undisturbed intelligence, reducing chances of ambush or miscalculation. This technology also plays a significant role in counterterrorism operations, in situations where militants hide inside complex structures or attempt to blend with civilian populations. Gathering precise information becomes difficult. The Capsule-Drone can enter narrow spaces, maneuver around obstacles, and provide clear visual feeds that help identify threats without causing destruction. This precision reduces collateral damage and helps differentiate between combatants and civilians, a major advantage in modern asymmetric warfare. The drone's portability also means it can be used by small units operating far from command centers. Infantry units, border patrols, and special forces can carry several capsules without adding excessive weight. Each drone can support specific mission needs, whether it's scouting ahead, monitoring enemy movement, or identifying potential traps. The multi-capsule approach ensures that teams always have backup units ready, giving them continuous aerial support throughout the mission. Another strategic benefit of this technology is its low cost compared to larger drones. In modern warfare, relying on expensive platforms for every mission is not sustainable. A compact, affordable drone that offers high-value performance gives militaries a flexible tool that can be deployed frequently without worrying about cost. In prolonged conflicts, this cost-effectiveness becomes a major advantage. Israel's development of this technology also signals how future warfare might evolve globally. As drones become smaller, smarter, and more autonomous, traditional battlefield tactics will shift. Armies may increasingly rely on swarms of compact intelligent drones rather than a handful of large aircraft. These mini-systems can overwhelm enemy defenses, gather intelligence from multiple angles, and operate in areas too risky for human soldiers. The Capsule-Drone represents the early stages of this shift, showing what modern engineering can accomplish. The geopolitical impact is also important. Nations watching Israel's advancements may seek to develop similar systems or purchase licensed versions. Countries with strong defense budgets may incorporate capsule drones into urban defense, border control, and rapid response units. Meanwhile, adversaries will have to adapt their tactics to counter these stealthy, intelligent surveillance tools. Electronic warfare techniques, anti-drone weapons, and advanced detection systems may become even more crucial. The civilian sector may also benefit indirectly. Technologies developed for military drones often find their way into commercial applications. Compact folding mechanisms, AI-based navigation, lightweight materials, and efficient power systems could eventually be adopted in rescue missions, infrastructure inspections, or disaster response teams. A drone that can be carried easily and deployed instantly could help firefighters navigate smoke, build buildings, aid search teams in collapsed structures, or inspect high-risk areas without putting human lives in danger. Despite its advantages, the technology does raise some questions. As drones become smaller and smarter, concerns about surveillance, privacy, and autonomous decision-making increase. Critics argue that compact intelligent drones could be misused for unauthorized monitoring or covert operations that bypass accountability. Balancing the need for security with ethical concerns will be a challenge as these systems continue to evolve. For now, Israel's Capsule-Drone stands as a clear demonstration of how far military technology has progressed. Compact, fast, deploying, AI-supported, and discreet, it represents the future of reconnaissance and tactical operations. Its combination of stealth, intelligence, and speed gives soldiers a powerful tool that enhances battlefield awareness and reduces risks. As conflicts become more complex and enemies adopt unpredictable tactics, having such adaptable technology becomes essential. The story of this drone is ultimately a story of innovation driven by necessity. In regions where security threats can emerge suddenly and unpredictably, militaries require tools that respond instantly. This Capsule-Drone gives them that capability. It symbolizes the shift from bulky machines to compact precision devices that pack advanced capability into the smallest possible form. Whether used in intelligence, gathering, stealth surveillance, or precision support missions, it reflects the new direction modern warfare is taking. As we continue to explore groundbreaking technologies like this, it becomes clear that the battlefield of the future will be dominated not just by large systems, but also by small, smart, and agile tools that operate quietly and efficiently. Israel's new Capsule-Drone is one of the best examples of where this transformation is heading, and it will likely inspire similar systems worldwide in the coming years. If you enjoyed learning about this advanced technology and want more in-depth videos on modern military systems, make sure to stay tuned for future content.